BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has recently released a Windows 11 out-of-band OOB optional update, and that's for Windows 11 version 22H2, which was the feature update they started rolling out last week. Now, in case you're unaware, Microsoft released these optional out-of-band updates out between and ahead of the normal monthly update cycle. So that would be between and ahead of your B-release updates, which roll out on the second Tuesday of every month, which we call the Patch Tuesday updates, and your optional bug fix C-release updates that roll out near the end of every month. So they deem these updates important enough to be released ahead and between of the normal monthly update cycle. Now, the release notes for the update don't tell us too much other than that it's fixing an issue affecting Windows 11 setup. And if we head to the release notes for the update, which is KB5019311, Microsoft rolled the update out on the 27th of September, and it's an out-of-band update as mentioned. Now, they don't give us too much information other than that it's a non-security update, so it's a bug fix update, and addresses localization. It addresses localization issues for some setup files. These issues might stop you from creating installation media for non-English languages. And other than that, it also updates the Windows 11 version 22H2 service in stack, which is the component that installs Windows updates. Now, this update is only to be installed if you are experiencing these Windows 11 setup issues, which addresses localization issues for some setup files, which might stop you from creating installation media for non-English languages. So only install this update if you are affected by this issue, else just ignore the update. Now, this update is not an update that Microsoft will push out using Windows Update on Windows 11 version 22H2, and you will not get the update by checking for updates. These updates Microsoft push out using the Microsoft Update Catalog, and you will have to come to the Microsoft Update Catalog, and you'll have to download and install the update 5019311 manually. Now, I will leave a link in the description to this update catalog for easy reference, and I'll also leave a link to a video I did post on how to download and install an update manually in case you were unaware. I'll also leave that in the description. So only install this update from the Microsoft Update Catalog as mentioned if you are experiencing these issues that Microsoft has mentioned in the release notes. Now, here we can see that if you do apply this update, the OS build will be bumped up to 2261.525. And if we head to the WinVer for Windows 11 version 22H2, the current OS build is 2261.521. So if you do install this update, as mentioned, it will then push that OS build up to 2261.525. And just to remind you again, only install this update if you are experiencing the issues described here in the release notes, else just ignore the update and leave it alone. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.